Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on a super exciting journey to draw and color two amazing flying objects, a speedy airplane and a mysterious UFO. Before we take off, make sure you have your drawing supplies ready, a pencil, an eraser, something to outline with like a black marker or pen, and your favorite coloring tools like crayons, colored pencils, or markers.